Jump 3. Kick. Again. 2. Other side. 2. Jump 3. Double. 2. Other side. Forward. Jump 2. Knee. Straight. Double.
Could you introduce you and your team?
Yeah, my name is Isaac de la Cruz. I'm a head coach here in Cebu Fighting Ground. And I'd like to invite to try the exercise here in Cebu Fighting Ground.
What inspired you to establish this gym?
We start we know to each other of this the boss Laika, then we know to each other in the tactical, then he said to me we will going to build a gym. That's it. We build the gym.
Together with Laika. What martial arts discipline do you currently teach?
Actually, I teach boxing, kickboxing, and also cardio.